Hariom, National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day or Ganit Day is celebrated on 22nd of December every year to mark the birth anniversary of the legendary Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. At a very young age, Srinivasa Ramanujan showed the signs of unfolding genius, and his contributions regarding fractions, infinite series, number theory, mathematical analysis, etc. set an example in mathematics. In 2012, the former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, declared 22nd December as the National Mathematics Day to commemorate Ramanujan's greatness and his contributions in the field of mathematics. The main objective behind the celebration of Mathematics Day is to raise awareness among the people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity. Several initiatives are taken to motivate, enthuse, and to inculcate a positive attitude towards the learning of mathematics among the younger generation of our country. Now, on behalf of Mathematics Day, let us watch a fun play by Class 11 students.
Hariom everyone, I'm Ramsha here. We are celebrating Mathematics Day, right? As a tribute to it, we the students of Class 11 are making a small video on the topic Life Without Maths. Life without maths. Is it possible? I don't think so. Because without maths, we couldn't measure anything, build anything or make anything. There would be no money, no defense, no food production, no hospital, no roads, no internet, etc. 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 Life without maths seems to be terrible. So, we will present you the problems and scenarios that the world will face if we lack the knowledge of maths in a form of story. There was a planet named Cape Town. It was a very beautiful planet. Due to meteor hit, the planet was destroyed. Most of the aliens lost their lives, and out of 3 million of aliens, 1 million of them escaped from that horrible incident and flew to Earth. As they have nowhere else to go, the Earthlings accepted them. As we have seen in the movies, aliens are totally different from humans by their way of communication, body structure, way of eating and so on. But in this case, the aliens of Cape Town are very much similar to human beings. But also, they have some strange factors. One of them is maths is illegal and banned in their planet. So they don't know anything about math. So let's see the problems faced by those aliens without knowing math in our planet Earth.
Hey, can I get some fuel?
Yeah, how much?
Just to fill my fuel tank.
Okay, how much?
Can I get 2 liters of fuel?
Yeah, here it is. Like this, how many liters do you want?
As I said, just to fill my tank.
Okay, I understood that. But how many liters? I need a number.
What's the number?
Seriously? You don't know what numbers are? From how many liters your fuel tank can hold to how many miles your car can run with that fuel. Everything is numbers.
What are these? It is all different and beautiful too.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Do you know anything about these?
No, and why these are so different?
Because they have different shapes.
Shapes?
Have you not seen any of these?
Oh, what are they? I don't know.
Why? Don't you know anything about these shapes? Everything and everyone in this world has a shape. Oh, these people are so different.
Give me some biscuits.
Hey human, where are you going?
What?
We gave you biscuits, so you should give something in return. Instead, you gave us a piece of paper?
What nonsense you people are talking?
What is the exchange item?
Oh, so you guys don't know about money? Money is the medium of exchange that is generally accepted as the payment for goods and services. Nowadays, barter system does not exist.
They are numbers.
Don't you know? What is it? Never heard of them. A number is a mathematical object used to count, measure, and label. What is mathematics?
Wikipedia says that mathematics is a branch of life which includes the study of such topics as numbers, formulas, related structures, shapes, and spaces in which they are contained, and quantities and their changes.
Okay. That clearly explains everything.
Example, this device which we are using is based on maths.
Really? Is this complicated sheet of metal based on mathematics? Oh. The computers, tablets, and phones that we use contains the binary digits 0 and 1 to store the data. The whole system is built just for these two numbers.
Hey man, what's the time?
It's morning.
I do know that. Please do tell the time.
I swear, it's morning. Look at the sun.
Are you kidding me? Do you have watch?
Watch? What is that?
Hey, look at this man. He don't even know what is watch.
Don't you know what is watch?
No.
Then how do you look for time?
We look at the sky. If the sun is there, it's morning. If the sky is dark, it's night.
Look at this. This is watch. This is how we humans look for time. There are 3 hands in a watch. One is the second hand, and the other one is the minute hand, and the smallest one is the hour hand.
What are those things written around these moving hands?
It's numbers.
Numbers?
Till now, we have seen how aliens suffered in our planet just because they know nothing about mathematics. However, we still haven't discovered the existence of aliens. And even if they do, just like how we imagined, I don't know if they could survive. I mean, it's really impossible to live in any world if they lack in the knowledge of mathematics. In reality, we would be in the same scenarios as theirs if we lack in the knowledge of math. Every single thing is an application of one or other mathematical element. We see numerous trigonometry, geometry, statistics, etc. in and around of us. In fact, we started using mathematics knowingly and unknowingly that it became such an integral part of our life, and we became unaware of its actual presence. So math being the universal factor, let us take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the very significant part of our life. I, representing the whole class 11, wish you a very happy mathematics day. Thank you. Hari Om.